for a lightweight adventure bike that punches above its weight? The 2026 Honda CB500X might just be the perfect ride. Versatile, reliable, and now smarter than ever. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we cover the latest in bikes, cars, and tech that move us forward. If you're into practical machines with real-world performance, you're in the right place. Design. The 2026 CB500X stays true to its adventure touring roots, but with a few key refinements. The fairing is sharper, the windscreen is now tool-less adjustable, and new LED lighting all around gives it a more modern, rugged edge. It's compact, but with just enough presence to look serious, whether you're pulling up to work or rolling into the backcountry. Performance. Powering the CB500X is Honda's tried-and-true 471 cubic centimetre parallel twin, now tweaked for smoother low-end torque and better throttle response. It's not a race bike, and that's the point. This thing is all about balance. Light enough for new riders, capable enough for weekend warriors, and efficient enough for daily commuters. With upgraded suspension and a lighter rear swing arm for 2026, it handles dirt roads and twisty pavement with equal confidence. Features and tech. Tech-wise, Honda keeps it practical. You get a clear new TFT display with smartphone connectivity, ABS is standard, and there's even a USB-C charging port under the seat. Nice touch. It's not overloaded with electronics, but everything here has a purpose and works well, especially for the price. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CB500X is one of those rare bikes that truly fits almost anyone. It's affordable, dependable, and ready for whatever road or trail lies ahead. What do you think? Would you take this over a KTM or a Versys? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more on the machines that keep us moving. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.